Dough preparation: all-purpose flour, cumin seeds, salt, water, Knead a smooth dough. Rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Flour. Cut into small equal parts. Take one piece and make a round shape. Flatten it with a rolling pin. Follow these steps. Make a hole with the help of fork. Fry until golden brown and crispy. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. When slightly cooked, take out the bowl with the help of tongs. Tamarind chutney preparation: tamarind pulp, chaat masala, salt, red chili powder. Mix it well. Sugar. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Cook until thickens. Prepare tamarind, tomato ketchup, chaat masala. Mix together. Take aside. Green mayo chutney preparation: mayonnaise, dairy cream, mint and green chili paste. Mix together. Take aside. Assembling: white chickpeas, potatoes, tomatoes, cucumber, onion, chaat masala, tamarind chutney. Mix it well. Chana chaat. Nimco, Mayo chutney, coriander,